I went to Swami along with my wife. Swami, I have got another call from the IMF. They want me to go to this time Belarus, that is Russia. It's formerly Russia, and recently it got separated. It's between Russia and Poland now, this country. Swami was very much excited. He called, he said, there is a group from Russia, devotees here. There are about 15 of them. You call them. He said all of them came to the interview room and he introduced us to them. Look, Bhagavat, he is going a chairman of your bank. I am not going as a chairman of the bank. But the way he said, as a proud parent would introduce, when son has an achievement, makes an achievement, the father or mother will feel extremely proud of him and go on telling. Exact feeling, that love of a parent could be seen on his face. And gladly he was introducing me to that. We felt very bad. This is something, not an ordinary love, not an ordinary feeling. It is something divine. He was so happy, we could see on his face. And then I was sitting just like that. Swami was sitting in the sofa and I was sitting at his feet. And he took my hand and it was kept on his lap. Very, very exceptional. So I kept my hand on his lap like that. Long time. He goes on talking. He was not allowing me to remove my hand. It was like that on his lap. And he was doing like this all the time. I was saying, very good. It's very graceful of him. He has given me an opportunity to have a physical touch, and I was enjoying. And then he materialized this ring, gave me. This will sort of protection. Since I am again going, the history should not repeat. He created this, and don't worry, you go there. And we came out. I was surprised. Within the next 3-4 days, I had left for London at that time. Immediately after that, I went to London. And the moment I reached there, what I was suffering from for the last 20 years, the skin allergy. On all the fingers, I used to have skin allergy. It used to peel off. I tried all sorts of medicines, doctors, and they said, "Oh, this just comes and goes, nothing can be done." It was a horrible thing for me. And it just disappeared. The whole, all the fingers became smooth. And I was wondering, what is this? 20 years I have been suffering from this with all the medicines. I couldn't be saved, I couldn't get rid of this, and my fingers have become smooth. Oh my God, it was his case. When he was asking me to keep my palm on this thing, I didn't ask him. I didn't pray to him, Swami, cure this. No. He didn't tell me he is curing me. Because when he does something, he will not say. It's for us to realize the value of that. And it was, you see, normally if you do some help to somebody, a human being will go on telling, I did this for him, I did this for him. Here is Swami, he does something which is very great, and without my asking, and he doesn't tell that he has done this. That is Swami.